Hello guys, this is Spencer Thompson. That's right, I'm back with another video. This is the KITCHENAID Lie Expose. This is only part 1. This is part 1. Okay, before the next part, I'm gonna show you the KITCHENAID Diamond Blender. Alright, if you're gonna, let's see the KITCHENAID Diamond Blender, and let's get started. Let's go. There's the KITCHENAID Diamond Blender. There's the ice crush setting. There's the speeds 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Post button and a power button. Those are the only features that KITCHENAID has. It has stainless steel blades, a lid plug, and an easy to hold handle, like an easy to grip rubber handle or something. Alright, let's check the Vitamix. There's the Vitamix Series 5200. It has a variable speed. It has a variable speed control knob. Adjust the brightness. There's the high and variable switch. There's the high and variable switch, and the on and off switch. Those are the two blenders I showed you. Alright guys, thanks for watching part 1. Alright. Okay guys, I will see you guys in part 2.